Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Santa Fe. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, tachometer, power steering, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, too. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.